Hi everyone and welcome to the Peachy Baby Reusable Nappy fitting tutorial. We have Dexter here, he's on the largest rise setting. If you do have a smaller baby, like a newborn, please do be sure to also check out the video which I've linked below. It shows how our nappies are one size fits most birth to potty nappies. So let's get started. When you put the nappy on, you want the back of the nappy sitting just above the hip bone. It will seem quite low, but don't worry, it's not a problem. When you pull the front of the nappy through the legs and upwards, try and get the leg elastics right in the groin crease if you can. Then when you pull the wing up, pull it up towards the armpit before swing it over to the front and then clipping in place. Obviously you do the same with the other side. If there's a little bit of gaping at the front, that's actually not a problem. Something like 2 fingers worth is okay. What you don't want is any gaping at the back or around the legs. The back should sit just above the bum crack, and then around the legs every single time just do a little quick check to make sure that there's no gaps, make sure that the elastic's sitting right in the crease of the leg, just like a pair of pants. Super simple, but obviously if you do have any questions, please do get in touch. We're more than happy to help.